So this question says, based on the diagram, which of the following symptoms is most likely to be experienced by the driver when the brake pads are this worn? Is it A, a high-pitched squealing noise when braking, B, a pulsating brake pedal, C, brake fluid leaking onto the ground, or D, a grinding noise when turning the steering wheel? So if we take a closer look at our diagram here on the right, we'll notice a few different elements are highlighted. We have a pad, caliper, brake rotor, and most importantly, for the purposes of our question, we have a pad indicator. Now, when pads are near the end of their life, this metal tab, the pad indicator, contacts the rotor and makes a high-pitched squeal under braking. This is in fact the point. It's an intentional warning to replace the pads, and it's indicated through this high-pitched squealing. And therefore, the correct answer is A, a high-pitched squealing noise when braking. But what about the other answer options? So B, a pulsating brake pedal, this usually points to rotor thickness variation or warping, and not pad wear. So B is not correct. Then we have C, brake fluid leaking onto the ground. Well, if this happens, then it indicates a hydraulic leak, which is totally unrelated to pad thickness. So C is also not correct. And then lastly, we have D, a grinding noise when turning the steering wheel. This is typically a steering, of course, or suspension, or even a wheel bearing issue. Severely worn pads would grind when braking, not when turning. So D doesn't make sense either. And therefore, once again, our correct answer is A.